Hey everyone, today we're diving deep into the world of one of Africa's coolest animals, the hippopotamus. They're often forgotten amongst the excitement of the savannah, but hippos, with their big round bodies and surprising speed in the water, are super important to keeping their environment healthy. Come along as we learn about the life of this chill-looking but super strong giant of Africa's rivers and lakes. Not many animals on land can compare to a fully grown hippo when it comes to size and weight. Male hippos, the bigger of the two, can grow to be 16 feet long. That's even bigger than most safari jeeps. And how heavy are they? A mind-blowing 3 to 4 tons on average, with some even reaching over 9,000 pounds. To give you an idea, that's heavier than a whole family car. This incredible size makes them one of the largest animals walking on land today, only beaten by elephants and white rhinos. Even though they're huge, hippos are surprisingly good swimmers. Their massive bodies might make you think they're clumsy in the water, but that's far from the truth. Hippos can move with surprising agility and grace, gliding effortlessly through the water. This ability to swim so well is crucial for their survival, allowing them to navigate their watery habitats with ease and escape from potential threats. Actually, their name comes from the old Greek words for river horse, which makes sense since they spend so much time in the water. The ancient Greeks observed these fascinating creatures and were struck by their affinity for aquatic environments. This name, hippopotamus, perfectly captures their dual nature of being both land and water dwellers. All over Africa, below the Sahara Desert, these big guys escape the hot sun by hanging out in cool rivers and lakes. The African landscape can be harsh and unforgiving, with scorching temperatures that can be unbearable. For hippos, these bodies of water are a sanctuary, providing a much-needed respite from the relentless heat. They spend hours submerged, keeping their sensitive skin moist and cool. They love to spend their days relaxing in the mud, with their bodies underwater and just their eyes and noses poking out. This behavior not only helps them stay cool, but also protects them from the sun's harmful rays. The mud acts as a natural sunscreen, shielding their skin from sunburn and insect bites. It's a clever adaptation that ensures their comfort and well-being in their hot, sunny habitats. These waterways aren't just a place for them to cool down. They're super important for hippos because they provide safety from danger and lots of yummy food. The rivers and lakes are teeming with aquatic plants that make up a significant part of their diet. Additionally, the water offers a safe haven from predators, allowing hippos to rest and feed without constant fear. The lush river environments are bustling with life, creating a vibrant ecosystem where hippos play a crucial role. Their presence helps maintain the balance of these habitats, making them essential to the health and diversity of their ecosystems. You might think hippos eat meat because of how they look, but they're actually vegetarians. They mostly eat grass, which they munch on during the cool nighttime. When it's dark, these huge animals come out of the water and walk onto the riverbanks to eat. A hippo can eat a ton of plants in one night, with grown-ups gobbling down over 80 pounds of grass. This nighttime snacking is really important for the environment because it keeps the plants from growing out of control and makes paths for other animals to use. Even though they eat plants, you don't want to mess with a hippo. They're really protective of their area, especially when it comes to their babies or their part of the river. When they get angry, it's as impressive as their size. They open their mouths wide, showing off their huge teeth that can give a powerful bite. These teeth, which can grow longer than a foot, aren't just for show. Hippos are social animals, meaning they live in groups called pods. These pods can be small, with just a few hippos, or huge, with over 100. Inside these pods, there's a clear leader, the strongest male hippo. This boss hippo, who usually has scars from fighting other males, stays in charge by showing how strong he is. He walks around his area, leaving his mark with poop, and making loud, booming noises that travel across the water. The female hippos and their babies usually hang out in the safest spots, protected by the leader. When baby hippos are born, it shows the pod is doing well. After being pregnant for about 8 months, mama hippos usually have one baby, weighing between 30 and 50 pounds. They often give birth in the water, carefully helping their babies to the surface for their first breath of air. The connection between a mother hippo and her baby is super strong, and she'll do anything to protect her little one. For the first few months, the baby stays close to its mum, drinking milk both on land and in the water. Over a really long time, hippos have developed some amazing features that help them live in the water and on land. These adaptations are not just fascinating, but also crucial for their survival in the wild. Let's dive deeper into what makes these creatures so unique. Their noses, eyes, and ears are high up on their heads, so they can stay underwater but still know what's happening around them. This positioning allows them to breathe, see, and hear while the rest of their body remains submerged, keeping them cool and hidden from potential threats. Their skin, even though it's thick and tough, makes a natural sunscreen that protects them from getting burned while they relax in the sun. This secretion, often referred to as blood sweat, is actually a reddish-orange fluid that acts as both a moisturizer and a sunblock, preventing their skin from drying out and cracking. Maybe the coolest thing about them is that they can hold their breath for a really long time. This ability is essential for their aquatic lifestyle, allowing them to stay submerged and move around underwater without needing to surface frequently. We can only do it for a minute or two, but a hippo can stay underwater for up to 5 minutes. This extended breath-holding capability is due to their large lung capacity and efficient oxygen use, which is vital for their survival in their watery habitats. This lets them eat water plants and explore the bottom of the rivers and lakes. Their diet mainly consists of grasses, but they also consume aquatic plants, which they can easily access thanks to their ability to stay underwater for extended periods. This unique combination of adaptations makes the hippopotamus one of the most intriguing and well-suited animals for both land and aquatic environments. Additionally, hippos are social animals and often live in groups called pods. These groups provide protection and social interaction, which are essential for their well-being. The young hippos learn essential survival skills from their mothers and other members of the pod, ensuring the continuation of these remarkable adaptations. Despite their generally calm demeanor, hippos can be quite aggressive when threatened. Their large teeth and powerful jaws are formidable weapons, capable of defending against predators and rivals. This combination of unique adaptations and social behaviors makes the hippopotamus a truly fascinating creature to study and observe in the wild. Even though they're big and strong, hippos are facing a tough future. These magnificent creatures, often seen as symbols of African wildlife, are now struggling to survive in a rapidly changing world. Their sheer size and strength, which once made them dominant in their habitats, are no longer enough to protect them from the myriad of threats they face today. Humans are taking over more land for farming and building, which means less space for hippos to live. As human populations grow, the demand for agricultural land and urban development increases, leading to the destruction of the natural habitats that hippos depend on. This encroachment not only reduces the space available for hippos, but also fragments their habitats, making it difficult for them to find food, water, and mates. People are also building dams and polluting rivers and lakes, making it hard for hippos to find the water they need. Water pollution from agricultural runoff, industrial waste, and plastic debris contaminates the rivers and lakes where hippos live, affecting their health and the health of the ecosystems they are part of. Dams alter the natural flow of rivers, disrupting the delicate balance of these aquatic environments and making it harder for hippos to access clean water. Another big problem is poachers who hunt them for their meat and teeth. Hippos are targeted for their ivory-like teeth, which are highly valued in the illegal wildlife trade. Poaching not only reduces hippo populations, but also creates a climate of fear and instability in the regions where these animals live. The loss of even a few individuals can have a significant impact on the genetic diversity and long-term survival of hippo populations. Because of all this, the number of hippos has dropped a lot in recent years. The combined effects of habitat loss, water pollution, and poaching have led to a dramatic decline in hippo populations across Africa. In some areas, hippos have disappeared entirely, while in others their numbers are so low that they are at risk of local extinction. This decline not only threatens the survival of hippos, but also has broader ecological consequences, as hippos play a crucial role in maintaining the health of their ecosystems. Thankfully, people are working hard to protect these amazing animals and the places they live. Conservationists are implementing a range of strategies to safeguard hippos and their habitats, from anti-poaching patrols and habitat restoration projects to community education and awareness campaigns. Protected areas and wildlife reserves provide safe havens for hippos, where they can live and breed without the constant threat of human encroachment and poaching. By telling others about their problems and supporting eco-friendly choices, we can all help make sure hippos are around for a long, long time. Every action counts, whether it's reducing our plastic use, supporting sustainable agriculture, or advocating for stronger wildlife protection laws. Together, we can create a future where hippos and humans coexist in harmony, ensuring that these incredible animals continue to thrive for generations to come. Thanks for joining us to learn about the awesome hippopotamus. From their incredible size and surprising swimming skills to their group living and unique features, hippos show us how amazing nature is. We've learned that these incredible creatures are in danger, but there's still hope. By understanding the problems they face and supporting conservation efforts, we can all help them survive. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome videos about animals.